嗰時發覺咧係比佢動手術之前咧仲加清楚啲。So her hearing before the hearing that when she got tested, the hearing after the operation turns out it was even better than before she had the operation.
我问医生，我跟医生讲这个状况时，医生完全不敢相信，说他一直说怎么可能没有这种事。
So when she asked the doctor or mentioned it to the doctor that her hearing was like better than it was before the operation, the doctor was like really shocked and didn't dare to believe that it was true. 個醫生就真係冇想到喎，你有冇可能啊？唔敢相信之後嘅聽力比之前嘅聽力仲加好。
但是那个听力测验是完全你用人的方法去测出来，完全是没有听力的。但是这个就是神保佑，真的是神保佑听力。
咁得意嘅地方就話咧，因為佢測試咗之後咧，按個測試嚟講咧，佢係聽唔到嘅。但係按佢人聽嚟講咧，其實佢係聽得到，甚至係聽得仲加清楚。所以呢個就係神讓佢能夠保留嗰個聽力。So the really amazing thing is that they said they did the test on her ear and they found there was zero hearing, but actually she could hear and she could hear even better than before. So it was weird; it didn't match up. So no, I'm just repeating what she said. I'm interrupting her. So then she basically, so it was. This is thank God, God actually kept her hearing for her. Yeah.